5 miles.
That's right.
Look at that frown on his face. Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's so good. Man, I be so happy to get stuff. I be laughing all the way through. Goddamn, man. Why you laughing? Because it's good, goddamn. That's what I'm laughing. There's no reason I'm laughing because I ain't about shit. My real name, Leroy.
So pretty good.
Goddamn, that car, I stole that car.
There we go.
Till I couldn't go, my gold digging.